what happens if you forgot your password? For example, you can see this, and when you try to say lost password and you try to put the email address and you send it, it doesn't show. Maybe you don't remember the email, or even if you have the email but maybe it was hacked and you don't have access to that email. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to reset the password directly from the database. And you remember WordPress using the hashed keys to save the password. You will not be able to save the password directly without using the hash key. So let's get started. What we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to access the myPhpAdmin in many ways, because many people have different ways of hosting. So in case you already have access to myPhpAdmin, please go out to the next part of the video, check in the timestamps and move to the next section of the video. If you have hosted your website locally, so what you have to do, for example, you can see this website is from localhost. And what I'm going to do to access the myPhpAdmin, you're going to use your localhost server. For example, I'm using XAMPP. Then you make sure that Apache and MySQL is started. Then you come to this admin, you click on it, and this will bring you straight away to myPhpAdmin. Then in case you're using cPanel, for example, I'm using Orange Host, and for you to access myPhpAdmin, you scroll down and look for databases and click myPhpAdmin. This case, you're also able to access myPhpAdmin. And in case you're using hosting panels that do not have cPanel like Hostinger, what you have to do is you go to your websites and then you select the website that you want to change the phpAdmin. For example, maybe I can select this one, Bold Signals. And then you come to databases and you select which database you want to change. Then you click enter myPhpAdmin. Still, this also brings you to myPhpAdmin. Now, for my case, I'm using a VPS hosting with Contabo, and I'm using Cloudpanel as my hosting panel. So in this case, I'm going to enter the username. Now, this is the home page of the Cloudpanel, and in this case, you have to select the website that you've forgotten the password. I give an example. For example, this one, I'm just going to click on the website. Then you come to databases. Now, when you reach this side, you'll see the number of databases you have. You see I have only one database, but for you to manage the database users, you just have to come down here. In case there are many, you select the specific one. Then you click manage. This brings you to myPhpAdmin. Now, let's go to the part of resetting the password. So I'm going to use the locally hosted site. This is the local host here. Then you select which database do you want to make changes on. This website is called the eStore. So I'm going to come to eStore, then click down, then you'll go and click WP users. And in this case, I'll be able to see there's admin 1 and the user password is actually this one, hashed. So now for you to change the password, select the user that you want to make changes, then click edit. And then you just come and type this directly where the user pass is. So you can put any password that you want. Maybe Ben, I can say Ben Tech 2024. Just as simple as that. But what you do on the function section here, as you see under this function, you come to user pass. Instead of leaving it blank, you go and put MD5. So this will make this password hashed when you save it. So scroll down and click save. Now you can see it has already saved as with this hash. So now let me try to log in to this site, wp-admin. Then this is admin 1 and the password is this 2024 Bentech. So let me try to log in. Perfect. You can see now the password logs in. So that's exactly what you do. In case it's your first time to log in to watch videos in this channel, please subscribe, because I upload more about WordPress, web development and general programming. Bye.